Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Smolensk. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we modernized and began replacing obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know very well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one on my own, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes were changed and automated. Plans for modernization included the purchase of a blistering machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging from PVC roll material. The machine automatically fills the cells with gelatin capsules and tablets. After filling the cells, the equipment seals the surface of the blisters with aluminum foil. The main effect on the capsule shell is moisture. Being in the individual cell of the blister, the gelatin capsule and tablets are protected as much as possible. The blister machine we had was constantly being repaired, did not provide the necessary performance and sealing of the capsules. Since I had already selected many different machines for our facility, I had extensive experience in selecting and remained in contact with some reliable equipment manufacturers. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a blister machine. My main criteria were automatic control, high-quality stainless steel material, a blister capacity of 4,000 blisters per hour, and a blister machine for packing gelatin capsules into a blister. I first contacted a company in Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for packaging capsules into aluminum blisters, but it specified that the entire process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture a blister machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I had no luck finding a manufacturer of automatic capsule blister packaging equipment, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received from them in the mail 10 variants of various blister machines, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they have no professional approach, and I will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the forms and preparations for filling the blister, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consultation, he suggested automatic equipment for packing capsules into blisters, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the company's management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the equipment delivery. The specialist asked to test the machine and send aluminum foil, PVC film, for the formation of the blister. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before the delivery. He sent a video demonstrating our machine. Reels of aluminum and PVC film form a blister. Computer control of the blister production process. All indications of the equipment are fixed on the LCD screen. 1 month after signing the contract, we received the automatic equipment for packaging capsules into blisters. The manager provided the manufacturer's guarantee, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the machine. The machine has a system of materials broaching. When heated, PVC tape forms cells, then through the hopper with a distribution system, capsules fall into the cells. Aluminum foil covers the PVC and is welded by heating. We were pleased with the proposed equipment, although I was initially skeptical of the manager's choice. It seemed to me that this is too complicated machine. However, it turned out that this is modern equipment, which I hope will serve us for a long time. Practice has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the problem and free up time that can be spent to your benefit.